In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add payment method on your Microsoft account. To add payment method, first you need to log into your Microsoft account. After that, on the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now on the bottom, click on Microsoft account. Now on the left panel, go to the payment option. Now you need to verify your account. After that, you can see manage your payment, Microsoft account balance, notification, transaction, and then you will see payment method. So if you have already added any payment method, then you will see the payment method. If you don't have added any payment method, then you will see this option. So let's click on add new payment method. Now on the right side here you will see choose your payment method. Now you will see your country here. If you are from USA, you will see USA. If you are from other country, you will see other country. It's automatically look at. After that you will see your credit or debit card. So select credit or debit card. Now here you will see we accept the following card: Visa, MasterCard, American Express. It's required. So now we need to fill out this information. So after you fill out all details, and then on the bottom right corner click save, then your card will be added to your Microsoft account. So that's how you can add payment method on your Microsoft account. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.